Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1g. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। Olfactory receptor nerve cells are the origin of option A optic nerve, B olfactory nerve, C oculomotor nerve, and option D hypoglossal nerve. So the correct option is B olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerves arise from olfactory receptor cells. All are the functions of the oculomotor nerve except option A raises upper eyelid, B constricts pupil, C accommodates the eye, and option D vision. So the correct option is D vision. The vision is mediated by the optic nerve, not the oculomotor nerve. So this is very important MCQs. Medulla oblongata is the origin of option A accessory nerve, B optic nerve, C olfactory nerve, and option D oculomotor nerve. So the correct option is A accessory nerve. The accessory nerve arises from the medulla and spinal cord. A thin muscular and tedious septum that separates the chest cavity above from the abdominal cavity below is option A diaphragm, B linea alba, C pericardium, and option D rectus sheath. So the correct option is A diaphragm. The diaphragm is primary respiratory muscle innervated by the phrenic nerve. The liver may be divided into a large right lobe and a small left lobe. By attachment of the peritoneum of ligament is option A caudate lobe, B falciform, C ligamentum teres, and option D ligament. So the correct option is B falciform. The falciform ligament divides the liver into anatomical left right lobes and contains the ligament. A small shallow depression is known as option A fossa, B fovea, C fissure, and option D tubercle. So the correct option is B fovea. Fovea is a small pit, for example fovea capitis of femur. A fossa is larger. So this is very important MCQs. The suture units the two parietal bones on the superior midline of skull is option A coronal, B lambdoid, C sagittal, and option D squamous. So the correct option is C sagittal. The sagittal suture runs midline between the parietal bone. So this is very important MCQs. Forms the posterior portion of the cranium and cranial base is option A ethmoid bone, B frontal bone, C occipital bone, and option D sphenoid bone. So the correct option is C occipital bone. The occipital bone form the posterior skull and base, including the foramen magnum. The posterior surface of the scapula is divided by dash into the supraspinous fossa above and infraspinous fossa below. Option A spine, B acromion, C glenoid cavity, and option D inferior angle. So the correct option is A spine. The spine divides the posterior scapula. Resembles A butterfly or bat. Option A, ethmoid bone. B, frontal bone. C, occipital bone. And option D, sphenoid bone. So the correct option is D, sphenoid bone. Sphenoid bone has a butterfly-like shape. So this is very important MCQs. Which muscle title? Visceral muscle. Option A, cardiac. B, skeletal. C, smooth muscle. And option D, all of the above. So the correct option is C, smooth. The smooth muscle lines organs, for example, intestines, blood vessels, and involuntary muscles. The cell membrane of a muscle fiber is called option A, myofibrils. B, sarcolemma. C, sarcoplasm. And option D, sarcomere. So the correct option is B, sarcolemma. The sarcolemma is the muscle cell membrane that conduct action potentials. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. The area of the mucous membrane covering the internal surface of the base of the bladder is called option A, apex. B, base. C, muscle. And option D, trigone. So the correct option is D, trigone. The trigone is a smooth triangular region between the urethral opening and the urethra, sensitive to the stretch. Thank you for watching my videos.